Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download CapCut and run CapCut on your PC. So since CapCut is a video editing software for mobile only, it's not available for PC, but through a way you guys can use it in PC, and let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. Now let's move on with today's video. So to use app which runs on your phone only, you have a thing called emulator which allows you to run mobile apps on your desktop, and I'm going to be downloading an emulator called BlueStack. Now my preference is BlueStack, but you can download any emulator you want, right? If you know of any other one you can use it, but if you don't know any other emulator, then you can use the emulator which I just said, which is called BlueStack. All right, so on your search engine you want to write BlueStacks. Once you search for BlueStacks over here, what you want to do is click on versus download BlueStacks. Once you click on download BlueStacks, click on download BlueStacks 5 and download BlueStack. Once you download and install BlueStacks, it's going to open up just like this. Your interface might be different, like it might be a bit fat, it might be a little, elongated, like the resolution might be different, but basically it's going to open up. Once it opens up, you want to go on Play Store, and on your Play Store, you need to log in into your account. And on Play Store over here on search, you want to write CapCut. Once you search for CapCut, click on install. Since I've already installed it, it says open. But once you install and open it, it should be able to run. Since it's not available for PC, this is the only way you guys can use it. All right. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can download and run CapCut on your desktop. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.